Hey, in this video I am going to show you how you can host your website on GitHub in just 2 minutes. So without wasting any time, let's quickly jump into our video. Now first of all, you have to install Git on your system or on your Windows, whatever operating system you are using. And in Windows, when you install Git, you will get these options here, Git Bash and Git GUI. What we are going to use is Git Bash here. Now our next step is going to be you have to create a GitHub account. I have already created, so I'm not going to create. When you have created your account, what you have to do is to create a new repository. Here we have to provide the name of our repository. For this one, let's say I'm going to write a sample repo, and just you have to provide the name here and nothing else. And now create repository. Now for this video I am going to use SSH. You can use HTTPS or SSH if you wanted to know how to integrate your Git to GitHub using SSH. Let me know in the comments. I will make a specific video on this. For now I'm going to copy this URL or this link, and now what we have to do is this is the website that I wanted to upload on GitHub. As you can see here, let me run it once. As you can see here, this is a very simple demo website I have created for the purpose of this video. Now what you have to do is get into this folder, and here we have to open git bash, and now we have to write a command git clone, and here we have to paste the link that we have copied before, and now just press enter. Now we are cloning into our repository. As you can see here, we got a folder here, and now what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to move this file into this folder, and here now inside this folder I'm going to again open git terminal, and here I am going to write a command which is going to be git init for initializing it. And now I'm going to add our file git add dot. This dot means that we wanted to copy all the files in the folder, otherwise you provide a specific name. And now we have to commit our changes, git commit -m, and now we have double quotes in which we will provide demo website, let's say, and just press enter. And now git push -u origin main is our branch, and press enter. Now we are uploading our changes onto our GitHub, as you can see here. Now we are ready. Now let's git status on branch main. Your branch is up to date, nothing to commit, working tree clean. As you can see here, now we are good to go. Now if I check this and I'm going to refresh this, as you can see here, we got our index.html file that we have in this folder. For every website you have to repeat these same steps. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into settings, and then in pages we have to provide a branch here which is going to be main, and just press save. Now you have to wait for some time. As you can see here, after some time we got our link. Initially it will take 2 to 3 minutes, but it depends, sometimes it may take longer, so don't get exhausted. Just have to wait for some time, maybe close this tab and come back later. You'll get the link surely. We are just going to click this visit site button, and now as you can see here, our site is live now on GitHub. So this is how you can upload a website on GitHub.